your screen and double check everything's good to go here. Well, systems are go, so we can get started. Um, Welcome, everyone. No, someone else joining us. Just a second. Let them log in here. Okay, excellent. So welcome, everyone. This is Docket 3295, WR102, the Village of Maiden Rock for authority to adjust water rates, their application to do so. My name is Michael Newmark, the Administrative Law Judge for the PSC, and we're here on Zoom with utility commission staff and members of the public. Welcome, everyone. Thank you for joining us. Um, we are creating the record today, and that's the documents we identify and verify under oath as exhibits, as well as comments we receive from the utility commission staff and members of the public who attend before we adjourn. We're also receiving written comments from the public. Those are due Wednesday, August 13th. So we need those in hand at the commission by that date. There are two ways to file those, either through our website or by US mail. So the details on how to do that are on our notice of hearing, also shared by the utility in its customer notice, and displayed here on the screen share. So part of the record will be those documents and also the recording of the hearing. We're live streaming the hearing now, and the recording of that live stream will be on our YouTube channel, the PSC's hearings YouTube channel. That's where this will be saved for posterity, so you can review that anytime. As far as I know, there are no public comments on file yet, but we will accept those until the deadline, and we'll be taking some today. So appreciate people for joining us. So once we create the record, the next step is to provide the record to the decision maker in the case, and that's Andy Galvin, the administrator for the Division of Water Utility Regulation and Analysis. So Andy will review the record and make a decision, and then a written order will issue. It'll be emailed to the utility and posted on the commission's website. And on our notice of hearing, there is the link for our website to get documents in the case. So I'm displaying that here on the screen share. So it's on the notice and now on the YouTube recording. So you'll be able to refer to that if you wish. And that's about all the process we need to talk about, I think. So we can move on to checking in the documents we have and taking comments. So I do have a email from commission staff that identified the documents for the record, and I'm going to place it on our screen share now. So we have 5 documents from the utility, the proof of, so there's a customer notice and then 4 more technical documents. I guess the resolution from the village is also not quite a technical document, but we'll start with verifying the notice to customers. So someone from the village that's familiar with that document, we'll need to swear them in and get them to verify that filing. Who do we have in attendance that can do that for us?
Judge, can I swear it in for the village as a consultant?
Yeah, if you're familiar with the process they took, that's fine.
Okay, yeah, I can do that. I
Uh,
can swear in probably all of the documents then.
okay. All right, so let me swear you in. Raise your right hand. You swear or affirm, tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth.
I do.
So state your name and title, please.
My name is Peter Curtin. I'm a fiscal consultant with Ellers, acting as the rate case consultant for the village.
All right, great. And can you see the screen share?
I can.
So the documents posted under utility exhibits numbers 1 through 5. Are you familiar with those?
I am.
And are they complete and correct to the best of your knowledge?
They are.
Okay. And do you have any comments?
Not at this time.
All right. So move on to commission staff. I'll start with revenue requirement. Amanda Slater, I'll swear you in. Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth?
I do.
And for the revenue requirement exhibit, is that complete and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes, it is.
Any comments?
Just one. Commission staff did recommend the utility amend the 2024 report prior to this hearing. At this time, it has not been amended. Just wanted to note that for the record.
Will there be any suggested order points then
It's
for
it would be up to the decision maker, but it's possible that a order point would be included.
Okay. And can you just give us any possible consequences of that or something?
It
Yeah.
would be possible that they would be required to amend it, within a certain time frame after the decision.
Okay, good. Just trying to get the details there. Okay. So move on to cost service stating rate design with Eric Lindgren. I'll swear you in. Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
And can you confirm that the cost service stating rate design exhibit is complete and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes, it is.
Any comments?
Not at this time.
All right. So we can take comments from the public. Sorry, I gotta get my name's right here. So I'm gonna turn off the screen share at the moment. I don't know. I think we probably don't need that at this point. I could always put it back on. It's gonna let me. There we go. All right. So we have a few members of the public in attendance. Excuse me. I'm just gonna go through the list. Starting with George Dyke. Any comment from you? No, not hearing anything. How about Mark Swanby?
Yeah, no comments.
Okay. And well, I think that's all the people I have that are members of the public in attendance. So at this point, we do have a record that we can provide to the decision maker with the documentation, and we have an opportunity for comment today and also in writing. Don't forget, we can accept written comments up until Thursday. Otherwise, was that right? Thursday wait, let me check. Doesn't sound right somehow. It's a Monday morning. Until Wednesday, sorry, Wednesday, August 13th. Apologize. So please get any written comments in if you do have those. Otherwise, I think that's all we have to do here to process the hearing. Anything we want to address before we adjourn?
Yeah, Judge, I am looking at this revenue requirement with regards to any updates to the 2024 report and just letting PSC staff know that I will work with the village to make sure that those get updated. So they were kind of not buried in the report, but I'm seeing them now. So we'll get that updated.
Okay. So I assume if it's in before the final decision goes out, that we won't need to put any order points in there, but otherwise you'll see those in as a reminder to get
Okay.
those filings in. Okay, great, thanks. All right, all set then. All right, thanks very much, everyone. We're adjourned. Take care.